Hey you guys, what is up? It's me Kayla, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the new monkey update. I know this is super late. I mean, like, guys, it's actually super late, and the monkey update came out like this afternoon, and it's super late, and you're probably like, why am I reviewing it now? You guys, I wanted to check out the new monkey update, and I didn't want to have to film doing it, but I decided that I would film for you guys. So like a whole bunch of my friends are I'm not even in any of their servers. Okay. Well, they're all in one server, and I am going to join them right now. We are all filming together for my YouTube channel, and we are going to be we're going to be reviewing the monkey update all together. So yeah, we're going to be buying one of the um Jack in the Boxes. We're not going to buy the one for Robux. I might do that later on my channel, but we're going to do it. We're going to buy the normal one. So we're gonna teleport to her. I'm back. I'm back, and I'm filming. Okay, she's over here. She there was like a whole group of people just here. She's really funny. Trust me, guys. She really is. Okay, let's begin the video. Okay, so they're inviting me back to the family. Let's begin the video. Okay, let's begin the video. Okay, they don't really know I'm filming this, but hey guys, what's up? It's me, Kayla, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the monkey update, so let's get into the video. So, we already have, so we're gonna say, let's go check it. We're gonna say, let's go check it out. Okay, now they should be following me behind me. We're gonna go into the new monkey fairground. This place is insane. I love this place. I have the toy monkey right now. Let me show you guys. I do have the toy monkey, and I want to trade it for some super good like offers. I do have the toy monkey, and I'm also creating the business monkey. I'm nowhere close. I do have one briefcase, but that's it. Pretty much, yeah, that's it. And my little brother is creating the ninja monkey, which is super hard. I don't think anybody can. It's super hard. Like my friend has it, and let me show you guys her if she's still in the game. I don't know if she is because it's super late, but she has a ninja monkey, which is super cool. And this monkey fairground is amazing. I didn't think it would look like that, you guys. It's like, let's get on a 5-pet. I think we're gonna get on my evil unicorn. But you guys, look at this. This is insane. I wonder if you can like glitch out of here. I mean, guys, we should do a video about this. Like, cool places you can glitch out of. I don't know. Maybe we could glitch out of here? I don't know. And she's like, wow, where'd she go? I love these girls. Okay, so we're gonna bring out our monkeys together. So here we have our monkeys, and we're going to go ahead and pick them up. And you guys, I want to show you guys like how to do this, like the main basic steps, on how to like do this. So you're gonna just go. Oh, I didn't. Oh, guys, I didn't notice this. So it says 45% common, 30% uncommon, 15 rare, 10 ultra rare, and 0 legendary. Whoa, I did not notice that. Well, anyway, we're gonna go. We don't have enough money to buy one, as you can see, but we already have one right here, this monkey box, as you guys can see. And I really do hope we do get a briefcase, as you guys know, because I'm making a business monkey. So let's open it. We're gonna say, so let's open it. By the way, you guys, this girl over here, what's her name? Cookie. Yes, you guys, she didn't have a monkey because she was saving up for one. So I went ahead and spared my monkey because I used to have like $7,000, and I bought like a whole bunch of monkeys. So I don't mind sharing. So let's open it. We're opening it, you guys. Oh, we got high frisbee. We got a frisbee, you guys, and a monkey, of course. It is so cute. I've been thinking of this name for ages, and I think we're gonna be naming it Dance Monkey. It is super cute. Dance monkey, dance monkey, dance monkey. Oh. Actually, you guys, play that song right now. Yeah, play it in the background. It's a good song. It's a good song. So we're naming this one Dance Monkey. It's adorable. It's adorable. I think she said she's gonna name it too, Dance Monkey. I don't know. But you guys, we're gonna like name our monkeys. And if you want a monkey of your own, comment down below because I will be giving away a neon monkey because I have enough to make a neon. We're gonna name these all Dance Monkey, which is really weird, but we're gonna do it because like I want to give you guys a monkey named Dance Monkey whenever I give them away. So we're gonna name them all Dance Monkey. Dance Monkey, Dance. That would be cool. Did you guys think of that? Dance Monkey, Dance Monkey, Dance Monkey, Dance. Okay, never mind. Never mind. That's weird. You guys, you could also keep the name Dance Monkey and look, you keep the name Monkey, then add Dance. Ooh, this is kind of cool. Okay, you guys, yeah, we're done with that. We'll do the rest later. But you guys, let's continue reviewing this new monkey update. So, to get this business monkey, you need, let's talk to him actually. Wait, what? Equipped a regular monkey. Okay, let's equip the regular monkey. Let's equip Dance Monkey. No. Yeah, Dance Monkey. So, I'm a business monkey, master of economics. For 3 briefcases, I will teach your monkey the finer details of business. This won't do it all. I need 3 briefcases to transform your monkey. Of course, I only have 1. So, yeah, that's actually kind of cool. And the ninja monkey, you need 3 scrolls. As you can see, he has this like small little scroll and like on his tail, and you can get that. My little brother is like 2. You need to get the golden scroll. I think it's the golden scroll. I don't know. Let's talk to him. Let's talk to him. Yeah, let's talk to him. I'm a king monkey, master of all. Give me 3 staffs, and I will teach your monkey how to rule responsibly, like me. Okay, so you have to get him 3 staffs. Your gift is unworthy. Return 3 staffs to transform your monkey. I really want that monkey. It is so cute. I love the toy monkey. I mean, I got the toy monkey today. By the way, you need 3 symbols. I've got like 3 symbols like first try. It was insane. I mean, you guys, wow. You guys, let's go try to trade these monkeys. We're gonna say, let's go try to trade these monkeys. You guys, I wanted to show you guys what like you can what you can get for, like whenever you offer these monkeys, what people offer for these monkeys. We're gonna put 4 monkeys. Okay, he put like a whole bunch of stuff. I wonder if he's actually gonna do this. Nope, he declined. Okay, this girl has a scroll. I think I know her. Yeah, I know her. Yeah, I do. We're friends. She's a ninja monkey. That's insane. Okay. I'm gonna say only scroll because my little brother is making a ninja monkey too. So we're gonna try to get the scroll from her. Okay, looks like she's not really like responding, so we're gonna go try somebody else. This monkey update is okay. You've already made one? I'm about to make it. Right now? Yeah. You guys, he's about to make a ninja monkey right now. That's legendary. Legendary. Okay, talk to him. Talk to him. Oh my gosh, we're about to get a ninja monkey. What are you gonna name it? Ninja Stew. What? Legendary techniques. Now I have a monkey the ninja way. The way it's He's about to make a ninja monkey. Oh my gosh, he just made it. He has a legendary ninja monkey. That's insane. You guys, we have to do the same. Let's go try to get some scrolls because like we need Okay, you guys, we need to get on with our business monkey because Kason already has a legendary business monkey. I mean, or legendary ninja monkey, and we have a toy monkey. Wait, A toy monkey. That's it. That's it. We don't have anything else but a toy monkey. Look at this toy monkey. You gotta be kidding me. I don't even have anything else. Well, let's go trade this girl because she's the only girl that I like see around town right now.
I got the accessories for Ninja Monkey. I actually got it.
We're gonna put 4 monkeys so she can actually be able to make a neon monkey, which is insane. I think she thinks it's for free. Yeah, it's not for free. These are actually really expensive. Okay, guys, let's go try to trade this. A lot of people are here. Really, like, I'm pretty sure the whole server is here. Nobody's out. Like, really, there's barely anybody in the server. And if there are anybody in the server, add something. They won't do this.
I'm so jealous.
Boy, add. Yeah, we're not giving him this for free. What about him? We'll put 4. Ah, hey! I was gonna put 4 monkeys. Yeah. He is. You guys, I think that we need to be nice and just go and give somebody a free monkey. Free 4 monkeys. Like, giving them 4 monkeys for free. Wait, should I think I'll give him 2. Yeah, I'll give him 2 monkeys. 2 monkeys. Because I'm trying to make a mega neon. Well, I'm attempting to make a mega neon. So I can't give away 4 neons. Plus, I only have $154, and you need $600 to buy the Jack in the Box. So
I'm gonna make this video live.
where is everybody?
I'm making another.
Oh, some people are at their houses. So we're gonna go trade this girl. I don't know who this is. We're gonna. Wait, we're gonna put.
The legendary monkey out. I made so much stuff.
So what?
Okay, I didn't trade the pet. Well, I had actually trade the pet. I did trade.
Okay, nobody's in this server, which is really weird. Oh, I used to have this house.
Oh my gosh, I'm trying to get another legendary.
You guys, I think we're just gonna go ahead and have to give away this for free because, I mean, I'm gonna be nice and give somebody a dance monkey.
Oh, dance monkey.
So you guys, let's go find somebody. I don't know who we're gonna find. Like, I'm pretty sure the next person that we see, that's my little brother, so we're not gonna give it to him. Okay, that's my other brother. Seriously? There's nobody out in the server. We may have to go to like another server. Okay, we'll give it to my friend, Dance Awesome Lady. Here. People are at the campsite. Okay. We're gonna give her 2 dance monkeys. Oh, wait. For free. Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. We're gonna give it to her because really everybody just keeps declining and it's kind of being really annoying. And I just want to give away dream pets and be nice. You know, we're just gonna have to give it to her, you guys, because we're like kind of running out of time for free. We're gonna give her 2 dance monkeys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe down below with the Roblox username because I'm going to be giving a lot of these monkeys to you guys. I will be giving them to you, so comment down your Roblox username down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Wait, don't forget to subscribe to Basically Bijou and Cloudy Squad, link in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!